How to check transaction history on Huobi. First of all, open the app on your device. From the dashboard, tap on the profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. To check your transaction history, tap on My Orders. This section will display all your deposits, withdrawals, trades, and transfers made on your Huobi account. You can filter by date, type of transaction, or currency to quickly find a specific record. Tapping on any transaction will give you detailed information, including transaction ID, date, amount, status, and fees. This is useful for monitoring your portfolio, verifying completed trades, and addressing any issues. By regularly checking your transaction history, you can monitor your account activity and stay on top of all your trading and fund movements safely. Now you know how to check transaction history on Huobi. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.